Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the annual benchmark test results between the Redmi Note 10 Pro versus the Realme Narzo R30 Pro device. So let's see which phone will be having the better annual benchmark results. So a lot of users, they did ask me this kind of question, so I thought of making this kind of video, friends. So let's see which phone will be having better annual scores. So both phones, friends, are the Realme Narzo R30 Pro and the Redmi Note 10 Pro are kind of a similar kind of price range. So but they are having a different kind of processor. The Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 732G processor, and whereas the Realme Narzo comes with the Dimensity 800U processor. So if you ask me which processor is the best and quite powerful, I would definitely prefer the Dimensity 800U. So which has very good performance results if you compare with the Snapdragon's 732G processor. So these are my initial impressions, friends. But let's see what will be the annual benchmark test results if you compare both phones side by side. Let me try to quickly open the annual benchmark application. So where I did already the test comparisons between both the phones, so I can just show you the annual benchmark test results. So let me try to bring the score results here. As you can see, friends, these are the quick annual benchmark test results comparison between the Realme Narzo R30 Pro versus the Redmi Note 10 Pro. You can see there's a difference of close to 50,000 difference is there. That's a huge difference, friends. If you compare both phones, that's a lot of difference in terms of the annual benchmark test results. So this is what I'm talking about, friends. The Realme Narzo 30 Pro has got really good, very good potential with the Dimensity 800U. So I'm not in a fan of Realme or the Narzo series. I'm just fan of the Dimensity 800U processor. If this Redmi Note 10 Pro comes with a Dimensity 800U, then this would phone have been like perfect option for a lot of users. I would have definitely recommended this Redmi Note 10 Pro for a lot of users, but the only reason I cannot recommend for the gaming users because of the processor, which is Snapdragon 732G. Unfortunately, you won't be able to play high-end games at a higher graphics level and expect better results. So you cannot expect that kind of better results in this Snapdragon 732G. So there's nothing wrong with this processor. Even I am using the Poco X3. So Poco X3 has a similar kind of Snapdragon 732G processor. So still I was able to play, but not as good as other smartphones. So these my quick impressions, friends, about the both annual benchmark test results. And for more comparisons like display and other things, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Definitely I'll do my best to compare all those details in the future. So make sure to comment below what are the other things you want me to compare with other smartphones. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.